Garages used to be just a place to park your car or store boxes full of old things, but times have changed. Today, they are turning into small factories, creative labs, and personal workshops. In one corner, someone is making fresh doughnuts. Nearby, someone is using a once-joint cup sealing machine. And another spot has an aluminum foil container press humming away. These are not just hobbies anymore, they are real income streams powered by compact modern machines. Thanks to new technology, anyone can become a maker, a craftsman, or even a small brand owner without huge investment or specialized training. From producing snacks to printing paper or pressing food trays, the tools are already here. Your garage can be more than storage. It could be your first business space. If you want the full list of every machine I cover, along with direct links on where to buy them, just check the description or drop a comment saying, "Send me the link," and I will make sure you get the complete breakdown. Number 1. Join Cup Sealing Machine. This powerful little device is a game changer for anyone starting a bubble tea or beverage business. It's built for speed and precision, sealing up to 600 cups per hour without a single spill or leak. The machine is compatible with both plastic and paper cups, and even tracks how many seals you complete each day, making it ideal for cafes, food stalls, or mobile drink setups. With this machine, you can serve customers faster and keep drinks fresh for takeout or delivery. It pairs perfectly with a tapioca ball maker, allowing you to build a full bubble tea production line right in your own garage. The one-join sealer costs around $442. And thanks to the strong profit margins in bubble tea, it can easily pay for itself within days. Fast, durable, and efficient, this machine can turn your simple drink idea into a thriving small business. Number 2. Tufting Gun Custom Rug Maker. This machine can turn any corner of your garage into a mini rug studio. It's a powerful handheld tool that shoots yarn through a canvas backing at high speed, letting you create vibrant designs, names, or logos with smooth precision. With adjustable pile height and an easy trigger grip, even beginners can make professional-looking rugs in no time. A decent tufting gun costs around $150 to $180, making it a low-cost startup for anyone who wants to sell on Etsy, TikTok Shop, or at local craft markets. Handmade rugs are trending fast, and custom pieces can sell for hundreds of dollars each, depending on size and design. All you need is the gun, a simple frame, and a few rolls of colorful yarn. After just a bit of practice, you'll be turning your creative ideas into real, sellable products, compact, fun, and surprisingly easy to use. A tufting gun is one of those machines that blends art and income perfectly. If you're loving this kind of setup, tap like and comment "rug" below. I'd love to know what design you'd create first. Number 3. Cricut Easy Press 3 Heat Press for Clothes. This compact machine makes customizing apparel incredibly simple. It delivers professional quality transfers without the need for bulky or expensive industrial equipment. The Easy Press heats up in under a minute and keeps the entire plate evenly hot, giving you flawless prints every time. You can even connect it to the Cricut Heat app for step-by-step guidance and automatic temperature settings for different fabrics. From shirts and hoodies to tote bags and hats, it handles it all effortlessly. Priced around $199, it's a solid investment that can pay for itself quickly. Custom clothing pieces typically sell for $25 to $60 each, meaning just a few sales can cover your startup cost. For anyone looking to launch a print-on-demand brand or Etsy apparel shop, this is the perfect beginner-friendly tool. It's compact, reliable, and transforms your creative ideas into wearable products that people love. Number 4. Magic Mill Pro Food Dehydrator. This machine is a high-performance dehydrator built for both home and small business use. It features 10 stainless steel trays, adjustable temperature settings, and a digital timer that ensures perfect drying results every time. You can dehydrate fruits, vegetables, meats, or herbs to make healthy snacks and gourmet ingredients right from your kitchen. The machine costs around $320, and dehydrated snacks often sell for $20 to $40 per batch, offering steady and reliable profit margins. Many small food entrepreneurs use it to create organic fruit packs, jerky, or spice blends for online and local markets. It's simple to operate, energy efficient, and designed for long, continuous use. With a rising demand for natural and preservative-free snacks, this dehydrator gives you a way to turn your passion for food into a sustainable small business. The Magic Mill Pro proves that even basic tools can create real value and income right from your home or garage. Number 5. Lakeland Mini Donut Maker. This small but powerful machine is perfect for anyone who wants to start a sweet business without spending much. For around $30, you get a compact donut maker that bakes mini donuts in minutes. No deep frying, no mess, just fast, consistent batches every time. It's ideal for home kitchens, market stalls, or small cafe setups where space is tight, but demand is high. The Lakeland Mini Donut Maker lets you get creative with flavors and toppings. You can make classic cinnamon sugar, chocolate glaze, or vanilla drizzle, or go bold with matcha, caramel sea salt, or strawberry cheesecake. Because it's electric and non-stick, cleanup is quick, and you can bake multiple batches one after another, giving you great output with minimal effort. With such a low startup cost, it's a great way to build your own mini donut brand that customers love and keep coming back for. Package them in small boxes, sell them fresh at events, or offer sampler packs. The smell and look alone will draw people in. Make sure to like if you want more videos like this. Number 6. Vevor Hat Heat Press. This compact machine is perfect for anyone looking to blend creativity with profit. It's built for customizing caps, hats, and headwear with both precision and efficiency. The press heats up quickly to around 299 degrees Celsius and uses a smooth, non-stick Teflon plate to ensure every transfer comes out clean without scorching or sticking. Its digital display allows you to easily monitor temperature and time, giving you consistent professional results every time. Priced at around $170, it's an affordable entry point for anyone wanting to start or expand a small apparel business. Many small sellers earn between $800 and $1,500 per month, creating custom designs for sports teams, brands, or local events. It pairs perfectly with other heat press machines, allowing you to branch out from hats to hoodies, tote bags, or full outfit designs. Lightweight, reliable, and simple to operate, the Vevor Hat Heat Press brings fashion manufacturing right into your garage and turns creativity into income. And if you've made it this far, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. My goal is to reach 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and your support helps make that happen. Number 7. Balloonsy Balloon Surprise Maker. This fun and creative machine is perfect for anyone in the event decoration or gift business. It automatically inflates, fills, and seals balloons with surprises inside, whether it's confetti, cash, or small gifts. With adjustable air pressure and quick sealing, you can create stunning custom balloons in just seconds. The machine costs around $350, but event decorators often earn $5 to $15 per balloon, which means it can pay for itself after just a few events. It's ideal for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, or store promotions. Anywhere people want something fun, personal, and Instagram-worthy. Compact, easy to use, and simple to maintain, it fits perfectly in a garage or small studio. You can start a balloon gift shop or add it as a premium service to an existing event business. The Balloonsy Balloon Surprise Maker helps you stand out in the growing event market and turn creativity into consistent profit. Number 8. Popcorn Machine. This classic setup is one of the simplest and most profitable ways to start a fun snack business. It can pop up to 5 gallons of popcorn per batch, making it perfect for events, movie nights, fairs, or small food stalls. Built with stainless steel parts and clear tempered glass, it's durable, safe, and easy to clean after a busy day of sales. The machine costs around $250, and the profit margin is huge. With just $10 worth of ingredients, you can make over $100 worth of fresh popcorn. You can even experiment with flavors like caramel, cheese, or spicy butter to attract more customers. It's perfect for schools, markets, and event setups, adding instant nostalgia to any space. Compact, efficient, and fun to use, the popcorn machine turns every handful of kernels into profit while filling the air with that irresistible movie theater smell. If you're enjoying these ideas and already thinking about which machine fits your goals, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next money-making setup that could change your life. Number 9. Cricut Mug Press. This compact machine transforms plain mugs into personalized products that people love to buy. With one-touch operation and automatic temperature control, it ensures smooth, professional quality prints every single time. You can use it with sublimation paper or infusible ink to add detailed designs, quotes, or logos directly onto mugs clean, sharp, and long-lasting. The Cricut Mug Press costs around $199, and each custom mug can sell for $15 to $30, giving you great profit margins. Many small business owners use it to create corporate gifts, couple mugs, or limited seasonal designs for their online shops. It's simple, safe, and compact, perfect for beginners who want to turn creativity into income from home. If this video gave you a new business idea, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend, leave a comment about which machine caught your attention, and subscribe for more videos on smart ways to make money from home. Make sure to like if you want more videos like this. Your next big win could start with one small machine sitting right in your garage.